Evrē is in support of women's health.
We are talking about sleep and meditation and hormones and mammograms.
Coming to an event like Evrē is so powerful.
I heard about this event from a friend and it sounded right up my alley. There's a lot going on, everything from workout classes, and then they have all sorts of shops and booths set up. And they've got a panel, they had a great keynote speaker.
I was probably like 5 years into my career and I was overthinking it and not being my authentic self.
This was such a cool experience to be a part of. I just think it's so important for women to take a second for themselves.
There's such a bond that you forge over sweat and movement. I had people in my class, by the time they got to the panel, they were like, meet my new best friend.
Whether or not you come with a friend or you come by yourself, it's really exciting because you see everybody coming here for the same reason.
There was just such good energy here. I didn't feel judged in any way and everyone was so happy.
This year we were sold out. It was a great success because all of us sisters, that togetherness gives you the strength to persevere.